Welcome to IABS IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about July 16th PAB news analysis. India on track to achieving the MMR maternal mortality rate targets for Sustainable Development Goals SDG and National Health Policy NHP. Mortality rate MMR of India has declined by 9 points in 1 year as per the special bulletin on MMR released by the Register General of India. The ratio has declined from 122 in 2015-17 to 113 in 2016-18, nearly 7.4% decline. The country has been witnessing a progressive reduction in MMR from 167 in 2011-13, 130 in 2014-16, 122 in 2015-17, and to 113 in 2016-18. India's commitment to Sustainable Development Goals. Dr. Harshvardhan said, with this persistent decline, India is on track to achieving the SDG of 70 per lakh live births by 2030 and National Health Policy target of 100 per lakhs birth by 2020. The number of states which have achieved the SDG target has now risen from 3 to 5. Kerala 43, Maharashtra 46, Tamil Nadu 60, Telangana 63, and Andhra Pradesh 65. There are 11 states that have achieved the target of MMR set by the NHP, which includes the above 5 from SDG, and states like Jharkhand 71, Gujarat 75, Haryana 91, Karnataka 92, West Bengal 98, and Uttarakhand 99. Highlighting the efforts taken by the union and state governments, Dr. Harshavardhan said, the success can be attributed to the intensive endeavor of the government in achieving impressive gains in institutional deliveries as well as focusing on quality and coverage of services under NHM through various schemes such as Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram, Janani Suraksha Yojana, Lakshya, Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan, Surakshit Matritva Ashwan initiative. Government of India also envisages rolling out the overreaching Suman initiative, Surakshit Matriva Ashwan initiative, including the midwifery initiative, assure delivery of maternal and newborn healthcare services, encompassing wider access to free and quality services, zero tolerance for denial of services, along with respectful maternity care. We'll see a synopsis of all 5 famous programs that made this achievement. Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram. The following are the free entertainments for pregnant women: free and cashless delivery, free C-section, free drugs and consumables, free diagnosis, free diet during stay in health institutions, free provision of blood, exemption from user charges, free transport from home to health facilities, health institutions, free transport from facilities in case of referral, free drop back from institutions to home after 48 hours stay. The following are the free entitlements for sick newborns till 30 days after birth. This has been now expanded to cover sick infants. Free treatment, free drug and consumables, free diagnostics, free provision of blood, exemption from user charges, something like that. Janani Suraksha Yojana. Janani Suraksha Yojana, safe motherhood intervention under National Health Mission. Its objective is reduce maternal and neonatal mortality by promoting institution delivery among poor and pregnant women. In the last 3 years, 282.23 lakhs mothers benefited from Janani Suraksha Yojana, expenditure of rupees 4,623 crores. Institution delivery in the country risen to nearly 78%. And then Lakshya program analysis. It is implemented to improve quality of care in labor room and maternity operational theatres. It reduces preventable maternal and newborn mortality, morbidity, and stillbirths. It benefits every pregnant woman and newborn delivering in public health institutions. Till date, 2427 public health facilities across country have been identified under Lakshya program analysis. And the fourth program is Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matriva Abhiyan, a safe motherhood initiative, a new initiative on the 9th of every month. It is a fixed day for ANC services on 9th of every month at designated facilities special ANC checkups by obstetricians or medical officers. It focuses on women in second and third trimesters of pregnancy. If every pregnant woman in India will be examined by a physician and appropriately investigated at least once during the PMSMA and then appropriately followed up, the Abhiyan can play a major role in reducing the number of maternal and neonatal deaths in our country. And the fifth program, Surakshit Matriva Ashwan Initiative. It assured dignified and respectful and quality healthcare at no cost, zero tolerance for denial of services for every woman and newborn visiting the public health facility to end all preventable maternal and newborn deaths, positive birth experience to mother and infant. Hope India will reach the MMR targets soon by the above plans. Thanks for watching IABS IAS Academy's YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel for our daily PIB AAR Hindu news analysis. Thanks from IABS IAS Academy.